This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable and adjust the peaking level on this drone. So to start, make sure that everything is switched on, interconnected, and you are in the Go Fly mode, or Go Fly mode, interface, flight controls, whatever. Now, launch settings by tapping at those three dots at the top right corner of the display. Select the camera category, scroll down, and look for the peaking level. Now you can switch it off entirely if you do not want to use this option, or you can adjust its intensity between the values of low, normal, and high. And well, as far as this video goes, that will be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.